Basic Tree Felling Techniques, ECC2. As a candidate felling a tree, you must always wear the required PPE. Also, your machine must meet CE standards. The assessor will welcome you and will carefully explain the assessment. You will be expected to fell a minimum of 3 trees, namely one upright, a backward weighted tree and a forward weighted tree. One of these trees you will endeavour to get hung up. You will need to fell the trees in a responsible and safe manner. Remove the branches and cross-cut as set down in the standards. You will read and check the site risk assessment, amend if necessary and sign that you agree. The test will start from this point. You will have 90 minutes to complete the assessment. Once the operational checks on the chainsaw have been done and you have the proper tools to hand, you can start your felling. You will use the correct breaking procedure to remove low branches. You will check the crown of the tree for any loose tops, branches or dead wood. At the same time, you will determine the natural line of fall. Then, with this in mind, you will choose the tools and techniques needed to ensure that required felling direction is achieved. You will specify the escape routes and prepare them. If necessary, you can also remove the buttresses. Then you will cut the sink. You will try as near as possible to respect the proportions that are set out in the standards. Make sure that the sink cuts meet accurately. Recheck the felling direction and, if necessary, cut ears to reduce the splitting. You might even mark the hinge as a guideline. The candidate will choose the most appropriate method to fell the tree. You might use, for example, a rear hold or a split level cut. It's also expected that you are able to get a hung up tree down in a safe manner. You will remove the remnant of the hinge and then remove the branches from the stem. You will top the tree to the length or appropriate diameter as stipulated for the site. You will then roll the tree over and remove the remaining branches. After cross-cutting, the assessment will end and the assessor will tell you whether you are successful, giving you feedback on your work.